Hey guys, what's going on? Just like this video title is, we all have those days where we have those losing trades. You kind of just want to give up on trading, but you must push through. And that's what this whole video is kind of going to be out, dealing with the mental toughness of trading. It can really be it really can weigh on your mental, and you have to make sure you take care of that. Before I go any further, guys, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If it does add any value to you or you like it at all, please leave a comment. If you do want to join the Discord group, you can see in the background there's some profits for this week. But if you do want to join the Discord group, the link is in the description. It's also the first pinned comment. But I just want to talk to you guys about how to deal with losing days. And those days will come. Not every trader is going to be, profitable every single trade or every single day. One thing with me, and I realized it over the time of me constantly trading and trading for years now, is it's almost like the mental part of trading is and not even almost, it is the mental part of trading is about 80%, if not a little bit more than that. Like the rest of it is like little technicals, but it's just when you're in those winning trades and you want to keep it, keep getting some more games, more and more and more, and then boom, the trade turns against you and you lose. Or you might be in a losing trade, and you can't let go of it. Okay, it's gonna bounce, next thing you know, you lost 100% of that trade. And that's just the quick ways to really blow out your account. What I like to practice is, once I do have, if I, I have the Discord group. So if I do have, two trades in a row that are bad or red trades, I'll just go ahead and stop trading for a little while. Either take a breather, kind of look at the market again, give a couple more minutes, or I might just stop trading there. Okay, guys, I'll be like, hey guys, it's not really my day today. I'm gonna go ahead, and stop trading for now. Another thing is, you want to make sure you're not bringing, yesterday's losses into today. So I think it was, I'm not sure when it was. It might have been the week before last week or last week. I had, it was tough. And March has been a really tough trading month, and I had some tough trades there. And Monday was coming around, and I was just like, it was either Monday was coming around, or maybe it was either it might have been a bad week, or maybe I had like a bad day with trading, Monday or Tuesday of last week sometime. And I woke up that day thinking like, all right, the guys were depending on me to make some good trades here, and I was a little bit nervous, to see like, do I, you kind of question yourself, do I still have it, do I still really know how to trade? Should I be leading these people? And what you have to do is kind of just block all that out. All those losses are from the day before, and really start the day with a fresh brain and a fresh mind. You don't want to go into the day thinking, all right, I lost $1,800 yesterday, I need to make back that 1,800 plus more. It's a lot easier to lose money, and it's a lot easier to lose money and harder to build it back up to that point. So what you want to do is kind of slowly and gradually build back up into that, that dollar amount. So if I do lose 1,800, I'm not looking to make 1,800 the next day. Maybe it takes 2 days to get back to that. Maybe it takes 3 days. It just, really depends on the trade. So if I do have a little period where I have some losing trades, I'll just make sure I get back to the basics, okay, and make sure I take profit. So little trades here and a little scalp trade. Even seeing green is kind of what it does something to your mental. Okay, I still have it, I can make some money on the trade. It's kind of like in basketball when these players will shoot jump shots, and they might be 0 from 6 from the field, and your coach will say, I play basketball, I always say, go get a layup. Sometimes you just need to see the ball go through the net. And once you kind of can see that, it's like, okay, it just does something for your mental. And with trading, that's just, if you have like a little trading slump, it's just getting that one little green trade. Even if that trade, isn't for, the most money in the world, just seeing that little green trade, that little layup for a basketball player isn't a three, but him just seeing the ball go in the net and scoring, okay, getting past that, it's what does it for your mental. And that's kind of how I get through my days on, on bad days. And I'm a real, I wouldn't say superstitious, but I'm a real, the vibes have to be right for me. Sometimes if I wake up and, this had nothing to do with vibes, it's more like taking care of yourself. If I was drinking the day before, I'm a little hungover, and maybe, today isn't the day I want to trade, I really make sure I take care of my body more. Now that I have the group and people are looking at my trades also, and really looking for me for guidance, I make sure I'm getting to bed a little earlier, taking care of my mental, waking up, and it's preparation. Getting up, make sure I look at the pre-markets, looking at upgrades and downgrades, what's been moving, and different things, setting the watch list for the guys. This preparation has a big thing to do with it, but besides the preparation, I have to take care of my body too, and make sure I'm in the best mental space. If I have a lot going on, I won't be able to trade well. If I'm trading to It's kind of hard. If I'm training to make money or I'm training to literally pay the bills tomorrow, it will weigh down on, it will weigh on my mental. I won't be able to perform as well. It's almost better, if I kind of have an idea, okay, this is the money, I can lose this and still be fine. I kind of trade better that way rather than, okay, I need to make money now because if I don't, I'm not going to be able to pay my bills tomorrow. So even if you are in that position, if you can just, save up, a good amount of money where, you don't, of course you never want to lose money, but want to save a good amount of money. If you did lose some of that money, it wouldn't hurt you. You wouldn't get kicked out your house or not be able to pay your rent. That kind of helps you. I've noticed that over the years. There's a couple tips that have helped me kind of stay profitable and kind of getting over red days. So that's all I want this video to be. I don't want my whole channel, YouTube channel, to be talking about a whole bunch of gains here and there, because you do have, some red days. I mean, I can probably scroll up here and I'm pretty sure I have some, some red trades in here. Yeah, there's some red trades right there. So I see some red right there. Here's one right here. I lost $900 in American Airlines, 500 in SPY. But it's about recovering from those trades and making some green trades. This week has been super tough to trade, but I've been doing okay because right now it's a scalper's market. So getting in and out of trades is what's really going to save you. You can't really swing anything in this market. The market might be up the first half of the day, first part of the morning, and then towards the close it kind of just gives out. Like today, the SPY kind of gave out during the day. It gave out a couple times today, but it bounced. But then towards the close it gave out, and I was literally just waiting for those moments. That's why I was constantly playing SPY and Apple all day today. Apple's really going to follow SPY in the market. It's playing some puts that side. I think the only call I had was, oh, you know what? I did post. Did I play Boeing twice? I did post Boeing, but it was a Boeing play, and that's kind of hard. When you have such mixed markets, you might have the Dow's up, SPY might be down, Nasdaq might be down. It kind of makes it hard to trade. You always have to know what index of stock you're trading is in, But right now is when they, keep it nice, clean cut, sniper trade, scalping right in and out, guys. And that's a few of my tips on how I get over those losses and those, those bad days. Just keep it pushing, and what happened is in the past, guys. But if you found any value in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, hate, like, anything. I get hate comments a good amount too. So you need to do this more, you need to do that more. All right, just let me know. Leave a comment, guys. It all helps out. But thanks for watching, and tune back in.